Hi, my name is Zumi. I'm a Twitch streamer and I'm at Only Aesthetics. I'm about to do a treatment called OnlyRosacea, which helps with the redness, reduce it, as well as tighten my pores. As a Twitch streamer, I always want to look my best, so I'm hoping that this treatment will help me gain the confidence I need so that I can always look amazing in front of camera, in front of all my viewers. So let's see how it goes. The treatment has reduced the erythema. It was a very calming treatment that I actually fell asleep. So I woke up and with tighter pores and I saw myself in the mirror and I'm definitely happy with the results. So thank you very much, Only Aesthetics. 10/10 would definitely recommend it. So do check it out and head yourself over to Only Aesthetics. For more videos, click over here, as well as like the videos. Thank you very much.